Hi viewers, Archana Sandeep here. I welcome to you my channel Achu's Aroma. Today's recipe is a very delicious and tasty chicken pulao. I'm going to show you a very easy and quick way of preparing this pulao. Whenever you are in a hurry to make chicken pulao, this is the recipe you would be looking out for. So let's start with it. Here I've taken half kg of chicken which I've thoroughly cleaned and kept aside. The ingredients which I've used here is for 2 servings, that is for 2 people. You can adjust the quantity according to your requirement. Okay. I've taken 2 medium onions which I have thinly sliced and saute them on a low flame till they turn translucent and slightly change the color. Now to this we will add whole garam masala. For that I have taken here 8 to 9 peppercorns. You can take the pepper as per your spice requirement. 2 bay leaf, 1 stone flower, 1 star anise, 4 to 5 cloves, 2 green cardamom, 2 pieces of cinnamon stick. Now we will add all these whole spices to the onion which is being sauteed. To this we will add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Here you will get a nice aroma of whole masalas and the onions and everything. So keep stirring for 1-2 minutes and then we will be adding the next ingredients. To this now we will add our chicken which we have already cleaned and kept aside. Now we'll increase the flame to little high and we'll keep stirring them for another 1-2 minutes. After 1 or 2 minutes we will add 2 medium sized potatoes which I have diced into cubes. We will add them and mix them nicely, and now we will add all our masalas and salt and everything to this. So we will add salt as per requirement or as per your taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and we will mix them nicely. Let the salt and turmeric powder get coated nicely with the chicken and potatoes. To this we will add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can add chili powder as per your spice requirement. Half a teaspoon of chicken masala or tandoori chicken masala, 1 teaspoon of pulao masala or biryani masala, that is up to your choice. We will mix them nicely and lid and cook them till the masala get roasted well. We'll cook them for 2 to 3 minutes. We'll keep checking whether our potatoes and chicken is cooked or not. If not, just mix them well, give a stir, and again we will lid and cook them for more 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, we will prepare our masala. For the masala, we need here 2 big onions chopped, handful of coriander and pudina leaves chopped, 1 inch of ginger and 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, 2 big tomatoes and some whole spices. In that we'll need 2 green cardamom, 8 to 9 of peppercorns and 4 cloves. Now we will check whether our chicken is cooked or not. They need to be cooked little more, so we will lid and cook them for 1-2 minutes more. Meanwhile, we will grind all these masalas in a mixer jar to a fine paste. Before that we'll add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds also to the masalas which we have taken. We'll add little water and grind them into a smooth paste. Let's check our chicken. See how the oil is oozing out from the masalas, that means it is nicely roasted and nicely cooked well. Our chicken and potato is also cooked well. Now to this we will add our masala paste which we have already grind and kept. Okay. Here at this stage you can check the spice and the salt requirement. I feel there is a little more salt needed, so I am adding salt here. Here I am using rock salt. I always use rock salt in my cooking, that's why I am adding it more, because rock salt is less saltier than the regular free flowing salt which you get in market. So I've added here green chilies also. I've taken 2 green chilies here, finely chopped them and added it. We'll mix them well and cook it further till all extra moisture get evaporated and it becomes nice thick gravy. You can see the extra moisture is getting evaporated. Now to this we will add our rice. Here I have taken long grain basmati rice. I have taken 2 cups, that is approximately 250 to 300 grams. As I have told you already that I am making this as per 2 people's requirement. So accordingly you can adjust the quantity. So we will mix them nicely. Now to this we will add water. Water we have to add only till the level of the rice. That's it. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Just mix them nicely and lid them and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. It's been 4 to 5 minutes. We'll check our rice. Okay, our rice is cooked well. You can see it's nicely cooked. That's it. Our tasty and delicious pulao is ready here to be served. Try this recipe and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Please put your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. And if you like the video, share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for more new recipes. Till then, stay safe, take care and bye-bye.